Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Santa's Workshop's 2-year anniversary video. 2 years. I've been doing this for 2 years. Okay. Technically, I've been doing it for a year and a half because last year I didn't do squat for half a year. But I cannot believe it has been 2 years already. Oh my gosh. Time is just... It's just gone. I mean, it's just flying. And I have got so much coming, so much that I'm wanting to accomplish this year. It is just it's just mind-blowing. Thank y'all. Thank every one of you for being there for me to, help this get going. I want to show you a little clip of the very first video. You can see exactly how far everything has come in just that one little video. But I want to give you a little walk around, show you what's in the shop right now, and we will, I just want to say thank you. I mean, if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this, or I'd be doing it. It's just not in this scale and getting to share it all with you. But let's walk around, take a look what's going on. All right. First one of the day is the C3 Corvette. I'm still, working the bugs out on this thing, but when it gets done, oh my gosh, this is going to be just a fantastic car. I mean, you can see, here's what the paint looks like. I just barely hit it with a rag and a compound right there, so I get the machine a hold of this thing, this paint is going to come back out like you would not believe. I've had several people ask me what color I'm going to paint it. Red. But I ain't going to paint it. I'm just going to do a color correction on it. I'll get it spit out in a minute. But I mean, look at that. I have done nothing to that except wipe the dust off. This thing is going to be beautiful. Interior is just almost perfect. Seats are good. Console could use a little work. Steering wheel, I want to rewrap it with leather. I'm going to try and clean this up right here a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. But dash is perfect. Throw a new radio in it. Clean the center console. Door panels are good. Headliner's good. T-top rubbers, window rubbers, all that's good. I've got a new starter coming for it because it's a dragging a little. But I mean, this car is just beyond my expectations of what it was going to be. As you heard, that started drag. And that was a cold start. Good old Rochester carburetor. But then we got Mr. Jim's pickup. Had the video of it earlier this week. I got to get the hood and the front bumper so I can get all this lined up and tell where it all goes. Got some nuts and stuff that I got to repair. But once I get this front end done, hopefully body work is going to go quick. And I can start putting some paint on this thing. Get the paint on it. We can actually go to town on putting it back together and getting it to him soon. I'm sure he is ready for this thing back and ready to see it run. Jim, I'm right there with you. And if you watched my last video, you got an idea of what's coming. Yes, it's El Caballero. I am going to start yanking the front clip off of this thing. We're going to yank out the motor and transmission. I'm going to get the firewall and everything inside here cleaned up, detailed out. because I have got, I'm guessing it's going to be 450 to 500 horsepower 350 that I'm building for this. Roller cam, roller rockers, throttle body injection. I'm going with the Phi-Tech on this. I helped Randy put the Holly on his 69 Chevelle. So I wanted to get the Phi-Tech for this, and I can do kind of a comparison. See which one I like better. So my next video after this will be the Caballero getting tore down, getting the motor pulled out, and I've got something special for the motor that I'm going to do, and it is going to be a one and done video, so stick around for that, and hopefully it'll be up real soon. But let's get to the video today. I want to show the very first one I did on the Midnight Express. Might go through and just show a few clips of other things that we've done and kind of reminisce about the last 2 years. So, let's get to it. Well, there you have it. All in the shop that my dad started many, many years ago. I think he bought this building in 1982 and finally got it up and going around 83 or 84. And when I say he built it himself, I'm not lying. Me and him was getting ready to pour the concrete on this floor. And our neighbors come by, and that's what they did for a living. They did concrete. They did cellars and things. They slowed down on the road and hit the gas and took off. And Dad said, well, I wonder what that was all about. 5 minutes later, they showed up with all their machinery. Stayed out here with us until 1 o'clock the next morning, working on this floor. And, you know, it's just been that way ever since. Neighbors, friends. What would life be without them? Guys, I feel blessed for the people I have met and for the people I'm going to meet on this YouTube journey. But guys, this journey has been something wonderful, and I hope to be here for many years to come. Thank y'all so much for joining me on this. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe, please do. Please share it. That's the best thing about it is word of mouth. The more you share, the more people that come. The more people that come, the more I can do. So, come on guys, let's get this out there and get it going. Thank you all. See you next time. Santa's Workshop.